Alright, let's do a quick cold start. I thought I'd start up the V70 wagon. Ooh, it's slippery. Oh, crap. There we go. Wipers are all off and everything, right? Yeah, look how dark it is in here. Let's turn them off. Alright. Ooh, that's a good cold start. Oh, there we go. She lives! Oh, she didn't want to start up at all. This is a double latch hood, so I'm going to be back. Oh boy. It's too cold for a cross country, I guess. Wow. The so-called outdoorsy vehicle can't even take the 21-degree weather. That's cold. 2.5T. Alright, we don't have much gas left. Let's see, 23 degrees outside. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll do a cold start of the other vehicles too.